So you think your house needs too much work that it may not sell in today's market. You don't think it's worth much, and you're very hesitant to actually bother listing it because you don't think anybody will buy it. Well, I'm here to tell you, folks, there's no better time to list that house than now. Stay tuned and I'll tell you why. Hey everybody, Stacy Hesser here, your favorite realtor in all of Southern Oklahoma. I got real glasses. I just need to say it because I'm super proud of myself for doing it. I still have all of my little readers that I've gotten from Walmart or Hobby Lobby or whatever, but my husband finally got on me and he was like, babe, we have insurance. Go get some glasses. So I was like, fine. So I really like them. But anyways, tell me what you think. But I'm here to have a little heart to heart with you guys because I've actually encountered a few sellers here lately that are very hesitant about listing their house in the market today because they seem to think that they have too many projects that they need to do in order to make the house sellable. I'm here to tell you, this market that we have today, it doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. What it does mean is you need to still price your house appropriately. I did have another video talking about that. You need to make sure that you're pricing your home correctly for the market that we are in today. But what I'm also here to tell you is that, first of all, investors are hungry for good homes out there to be able to either flip and renovate and resell, or somebody that's looking for rentals. It's a crazy market that we're in right now. So what's going on today? The number of homes available in our market are extremely low. I can't even emphasize like how low our inventory is right now. So what this means for you, even if your home needs work, is it's still going to get shown. There's still going to be interest in your house as long as it's priced correctly. Some things that a realtor could help you with when trying to figure out if your home really will sell in today's market or not, or if there's projects that you feel that need to be tackled before you list. What I would be able to do for you coming in is truly highlight things that you have done to the house. So even if there's stuff that's still left undone, still if there's possible, the bathroom needs to be remodeled or the kitchen needs to be redone, things like that, I'll still be able to go through and actually highlight things that you have done in the house and make sure that those are featured when we actually go to list. Again, investors are super hungry for finding, I want to say good deals, but that's a tough one right now. They are definitely hungry though for finding good homes with good bones, if you will. They're always just looking at the very basics. They don't necessarily care about the cosmetics. So you as a seller probably think that you're looking around just thinking the house doesn't look really great, but an investor is going to see through all of that and they don't care. They just want to make sure that the structure is sound. They want to make sure that it's in a good area, and they want to make sure that they don't have to dump a whole lot of money into the home in order to turn around and either rent it out or flip it. So if you have a good home that has good, like I said, good bones, I'm not sure how else to put it, but you've got a decent roof, you've got decent mechanicals in the house, the foundation is not in complete disrepair. I guarantee you there are buyers out there that are hungry for these kinds of homes. So if you're curious whether or not your home would sell in today's market, please give me a ring. I am more than happy to talk you through it, talk you through the process, and really talk about what is going on in our market today and pricing that house correctly so we can find you your next home to live in. That's it. That's what I got for you guys today. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. But if you love this video and want to see this happy, smiling little face every single week, then please be sure to hit that subscribe button. It truly helps me out. But until the next time, bye.